Okay, so our next topic is branches of science. Read the descriptions and fill in the blocks with the correct answers. Okay, so let's see what are the options. We have agrology, dermatology, ethology, ornithology, geology, astrology, pomology, nephrology, mythology, pharmacology, anthology, and archaeology. Okay, so logy means study. Okay, logy means study. So if there is a word in which we have added logy, that means study of that particular thing. Like suppose if I see here we have agrology. Agro is used for agricultural things, right? So agrology will be a study of agricultural things or crops, right? Similarly, astro is used for stars. So astrology would be a study of stars, right? So similarly, you can go ahead and find out all these branches of science. So let's start with your chapter. First, we will read the tidbits. Tidbits. The scholarly study of flags, including its history, symbolism, etiquette, design, manufacture, and other aspects, is known as vexillology. What is it called? Vexillology. Okay. Now let's go ahead with the clues. First one is the study of the diagnosis and treatment of skin disorders. जो आपके स्किन वाले डॉक्टर्स करते हैं, what are those called? Those are called dermatologist. So what would be the study called? Yes, very good. You are very smart. Okay. Now the next one is the study of animal behavior. Okay. So when you are studying the animal, how it behaves in its surrounding, what are the things it does, how it's capture its prey, or whether it is vegetarian or non-vegetarian, and all those stuff. That is called a study of animal behavior. Okay. The study of birds, like the animals, when we are studying the birds, where it lives, how it mates, from where it finds the food, and what are the feasible environment for it, what it does if it is too cold or it is too hot, all those called study of birds. The next one is the study of clouds. Clouds के बारे में study करना, which cloud means what, from where are they coming, and all those stuff. Okay. Then next is study of weather and its causes in order to forecast weather. So how is the weather now, and what is the prediction for upcoming days, like it is going to rain or a storm is coming. So all those things are called weather forecast. So the study of weather is what you need to find. Okay. Now the next one is the study of uses and effects of medicines. Okay. So what are the uses of the medicines, in which all diseases this medicine can be used, and what would be the effects or side effects of the medicine? You might get headache, you might you might feel nausea, so all those kind of things. Now the seventh is the study of human beings. Okay, when we studying the human being ka behavior, when he gets angry, when he is happy, how he socializes, all those stuff. Next is the study of soil and production of crops. So when we are studying the soil, in which soil which crop should be sow, uh, and all those stuff, which two crops can grow together, and all those things, that goes into the study of soil and production of crops. Next one is the study of human history through excavation of sites and examination of artifacts and remains. What is excavation? Means digging and finding some artifacts. Okay. If you have heard Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, so that kind of study, what is it called? So by that study, what we do is we we find out things about that generation. I know our ancestors. Those are our ancestors, anyways, right? So we find out how they used to live, what all facilities they have, how they were managing their community, and all those stuff. Next is the study of Earth, the rocks of which it is composed, and the processes by which they change. So, how Earth was created, how it got created, then by with help of what are the surroundings, what are the actions that were happening when the Earth was created, and what are the processes happening inside the Earth right now, how its rocks are changing, all those things. Next is the study and interpretation of all the celestial bodies. Celestial bodies means जो ऊपर दिखते हैं हमें, जैसे stars, sun, moon, those are called celestial bodies. The stars, the moon, the sun, and the planets to predict earthly and human events. Have you heard that Aries is in this particular house, so this action should be done. This is how it is going to affect us. So, what is that study called? Okay. And the last one is the study of fruits. When you are studying fruits, where it grows, what are the different varieties available, how it changes, and how environment changes, causing it help or damage or whatever. Okay, so that is called study of fruits. Now go ahead, explore all these things, complete all the sheets, and let me know if you are facing any problem. I am happy to help. Okay, all the best. Take care.